accidentally caught a train accident with passengers. It is going to go viral. The couple came apart, just like in my coal train video. Wow. Hey, things happen. No one got hurt though. Hey, we got a train block up here.
We do? Yeah, we do. We got a whole bunch of trains up there.
I can't get the seat part. It's gonna be rush hour soon.
No, don't do it. The motors are there, wow. I wanna look at the steam engine.
Really bad stuff, I don't like them. But if you're running just a little bit of blower,
Another train coming. There's another one.
here's coming. Are you ready?
The trains are on their way. Lots of them.
Is it okay?